who is the syndicator? The fund manager or the sponsor? Who is that person? Who is this person? Exactly. No, who is it? So it's going to be John Doe or Susie Johnson, who has done 10 other deals successfully. Are you with me? So what's their history? History of performance. Now, the SEC says the past does not equal the future. There's a disclaimer right there. I have to tell you, I have performed very well in the past, but that doesn't mean there is no risk in the future. There's always risk. Everybody understands that? Okay, so I look at what's the history of us. They've never done any deals. They've never done anything of value. They've never done real estate. They're just there because they have high net worth. They took, I met this guy. He sold his high-tech company public, walked away with $20 million. So he came to meet me and said, I'm going to be raising capital, because you can do the same thing to raise money for businesses. I said, okay, you're going to raise money for business? That's going to be great. No, I want to raise it for real estate. Well, you've never done a real estate deal. Yeah, but I invested in a couple. It was totally different. You were passive in these. Do a couple deals, do one deal. Something that you can say, I did this, and then you can raise money. So important to know who the syndicator is. At least they've done some real estate in the past. At least one deal. Or have some business model. I do short-term, like this guy, we just set him up. He only does Airbnb, lease and sublease. Lease and sublease. So he came to me, he said, I want to set up a fund. Can I do it? I said, yes. The difference now, he said, but that's only what I did. I said, anytime you lease to sublease, do a lease with an option to buy. Are you with me on this? And only exercise the options on the properties that the sublease is making you so much money that when you buy it, you know for sure what the cash flow is. The guy was like, oh my God, I never thought of it this way. Yeah, well, I live this stuff for years. This is what I do all day long.